you for coming. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for coming for this exciting afternoon. I hope that this will be interesting for you to learn something new. So today, other than myself, we have Alaric. We've been working together over coming to maybe a year on AI projects, and we've been customizing AI. We've been training everyone to embrace AI, from art to music to writing. So we have been developing something that is more easy for some of us who are not the techie ones. You don't need any coding experience. You don't need to learn Pythons and or the coding. But you can do your own chatbot first of all, which is very exciting. Plus, it's really fast. You can do it easily. Our platforms already take care of all the so-called heavy lifting. So you can just go in, plug it in, subscribe, and then you can build your own chatbot to do whatever you think you want, train the AI bots. On top of that, the good thing is you can also market it and service other businesses who are now, like, I think it's like unlimited access to millions of businesses around the world. Okay, not just in one locality. So this chatbot can help everybody, any businesses in any level of their companies. So without further ado, I don't hold everybody's time. I want really Eric to Alaric to really get into the business and then excite all of you, and hopefully today's takeaway will be valuable for 2024. Thank you, Alaric.
All right. Thank you, BK, for that sweet introduction. Nice to meet all of you. Nice to meet all of you here. I'm here from Singapore, and I know there are people from New York, there are people from Florida, and then people from Singapore, Malaysia, all over here. Okay, now, so I'm gonna do this in a few parts. Okay, the first part is I'm gonna show you the opportunity and like how do you make money. Okay, in this AI world. Okay, that's the first part. And then the second part, I'll show you how you can build your own AI chatbot, and it will take you less than 10 minutes to do. Okay. So like most people say, hey, are you sure I can build an AI chatbot in less than 10 minutes? You'll be shocked when I show you an actual demonstration and it takes like 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay. I'll show you how I'm able to build an AI chatbot in less than 10 minutes. Okay. And then after that, I'll show you how you can build your own chatbot as well. Does that sound good? Okay, who's excited about building your own AI or learning about AI or being in the AI space or making more money or making some passive income? You're excited? I'm excited in this chat. Okay, let's start. All right. Okay. So the title of my presentation today, okay, I've got some slides, okay, so that I can show you all like some proof and everything, and then after that I'll show you how to build it. Okay. Okay. Now, so the title of my presentation today is how we built a $3 million AI startup in 90 days without employees, office, stocking up products, or manual work. Now, I know this sounds a bit crazy. Like, wait, are you sure you can build a $3 million startup in 90 days? Like in the past, back in 1900s, this might not have been possible. Okay, but now in this new world, okay, you have seen there's so many AI startups, right? They get to $10 million, $100 million, $1 billion valuation. Okay, within 1 or 2 years, that kind of stuff. Okay, so it becomes really, really doable. Okay, now, so this is for you only if you meet at least one of the following criteria. Okay, number one, if you want to add an extra $2 million to your net worth in the next 2 years. Okay, or you want to make at least $5,000 per month in recurring passive income, or you want to start an AI SaaS startup. SaaS means software as a service. Okay, or you want to add an AI component to your business to make it worth more. Okay, if you fit any of these, right, type yes. If you don't fit any of these, type no. Okay, if you don't fit any of these, then probably there's not the right proposition for you lah. Okay, now, so yeah, so let me repeat. So you want to add an extra 2 million to your net worth. Okay, if you want that, type yes, or want to make at least $5,000 per month in recurring passive income, or you want to own a product that is scalable and does not require inventory, manpower, cost, and office. If you want that, type yes. Okay, or you want to impact more people without costing more of your time and effort. Okay, then this will be for you. If it's not, then just type no, and then you can leave the room because you won't get value anyway. It will be a waste of your time. Okay, now, but if you answer yes to any of this is what I'm going to cover in this webinar. Okay, now, the first thing is I'm going to show you the 3 steps to AI development. I'm going to show you how you can own your own custom AI even without being good at tech. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you the 100C equals $2.4 million AI valuation formula. Why acquiring 100 customers can skyrocket your new AI startup value to $2.4 million. Okay, I know when you hear this, like, are you sure having 100 customers can make my business worth $2.4 million? I'll show you the math behind that and how you can become worth $2.4 million. Okay. Next, X plus YT plus LI plus F plus I equals more than 100 customers. Okay. So I'm going to show you the surefire ways to attracting your first 100 customers. Okay. Now, if you stick to the end, I will show you how to get my book for free, The AI Advantage, Thriving in the Age of Artificial Intelligence as an Entrepreneur. Now, who wants to get this book for free? If you want to get this book for free, type free book in the chat. Okay. Then after my team, Pamela and BK, will see who type free book. Then after we'll give you this book for free. Okay. Now, so let's continue. Okay, who wants to get this book? Okay, I see a lot of people typing free book, free book, free book, free book. Let me see. A lot of people typing free book. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's start off with why I decided to build AI apps first. Okay, now since I was young, my mom has worked tirelessly. Okay, she worked very, very hard, sacrificing time with the family to build her business. And this inspired me to find a way to help her and create more freedom. That's why I embarked on a journey to explore cutting-edge technologies like AI and blockchain. Okay. Now, so since young, my mom has worked super hard. She worked like 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Some of you have met my mom in TGIF before. She's a super hard worker. Okay. She works 6 days a week, 16 hours a day. That's double of what an average employee would work. Okay. And sometimes when I wake up, she's already at work. When I go back home and sleep, and then only she comes back home. Okay, so we will only see each other maybe about 15 minutes a day. Okay, and in 2013, both my brother and my father left the family. Okay, so my older brother left the family when he was 21 years old. He wrote a letter to us and left it in his room, and then he disappeared. For 2 years, right, we didn't even know if he was dead or alive. Okay, and it was quite a big blow for my dad. So because my brother left, my dad also left the family to live his own life. That's why I became depressed when I was in poly, because my brother and my father left the family to live their own lives. And a few years later, we found my brother as a Buddhist monk in Thailand. My brother actually left the family and became a Buddhist monk in Thailand. Okay, now, and then in 2016, my sister left the family to become a Catholic nun in Spain. So my brother's a Buddhist monk in Thailand. My sister became a Catholic nun in Spain. Okay, and that just leaves my mom and I. Okay, but my mom was still very busy. She did a lot of health talks to LTA, MOE, NTU, and other large organizations. Sometimes even at 10 p.m., right, she's still doing roadshow or doing a delivery or answering her phone for all the questions people have about health, etc. And my mom worked so hard because she has a strong mission and calling that we don't have to depend on medication at hospitals. Instead, people can heal naturally by the power of their body. So like my mom sells like health products, negative ion, fine infrared mattresses, all that. Okay. And that's why I told myself, if only I can help my mom to build a business that can free up her time. I remember even during my NS passing out parade, right? Okay. I didn't even ask my mom to attend because I know that she'll be busy and I didn't want her to feel bad. I saw all my friends, like everyone else got their parents coming for their passing out parade. I was the only one, okay, that like I didn't even ask my mom to come, okay, because I knew she would be busy, okay. So my mission to help my mom, okay. So it was a depressing time, okay, because after my brother and father left my family, it was just my sister, my mom, and I, okay. So seeing my mom work so late, okay. So in 2016, my sister also became a monk, and so in 2021, I ventured to Silicon Valley and delved into AI, blockchain, NFTs, and other cutting edge technology. And the exposure to visionaries, programmers, and startup founders enlightened me on the transformative power of these innovations. Okay. And so when I was in Silicon Valley, I met this billionaire venture capitalist called Tim Draper. Okay. And I stayed there for 1 whole month, live there, sleep there, breathe there, eat there, everything. Okay. And I dived into all those things like AI, blockchain, NFTs, all that. Okay. And I met Tim Draper, who's a billionaire venture capitalist, and pitched to him about my business. In the process, I met a lot of programmers, CEOs, startup founders, etc. And I dived deep about AI. So I've been 2020, and it's been an awesome journey so far. Okay. And so later on, the platform that I'm going to show you all that is going to allow you to build unlimited AI chatbots, right? Okay, is also built by some of my developers in Silicon Valley. Okay. And then I also went to Israel. Okay. I flew to Israel to meet my partners and developers there. Okay. In 2023, I flew to Israel. Okay. And then I met the charge d'affaires of the Singapore embassy in Israel. In Tel Aviv, there's an embassy of Singapore. Okay. So I met the head over there. Okay. Called Adele Lee. And then I also like network with all my Israeli business partners and developers, etc. Now, Israel has a very, very strong tech scene. Okay, Singapore's military defense technology, right? We learn from Israel. Okay, yeah. So like Israel is super strong in terms of tech and everything. Okay, now, so because I learned all this technology and everything, I decided to help my mom to build this AI called Dr. Inertia AI. This was one of the first few AIs I ever built. Okay. Now, what is Dr. Inertia AI? Okay, it's like an AI assistant, okay, that can answer any questions about health. It can work 24/7 and it can also set appointments automatically. Its knowledge base empowers it to recommend and sell Rev22 Inertia products, okay? So it's programmed to sell Inertia products. That means it's like an AI that can know every question about health. Like you ask it, is it good for, is laksa good for health? It'll tell you whether laksa is good for health. You say how to improve diabetes. It'll show you how to improve diabetes. And once in a while, it will also recommend my mom's products to sell it to them. Okay. So okay, can okay. So people will start making I believe in the future, people will start making purchasing decisions based on AI alone. Okay. You know, there's one customer that even bought a sleeping system worth 3,000 plus dollars just from talking to the AI. It means just from talking to the AI, okay, she had some health issues. She talked to the AI, and then the AI asked her to come to the shop. She came to the shop, to my mom's shop, and then bought a 3,000 plus dollar sleeping system just from talking to the AI. Is that pretty powerful? If that's powerful, type powerful in the chat. Okay. Now, I truly believe that AI is going to change the game. In the future, we won't need salespeople anymore. In the future, everyone will make their purchasing decisions based on AI. Let me explain why. Okay. Imagine, let's say you want to buy property. Property can be $1 million investment and all that, right? Okay. Would you rather ask a human agent who has access to maybe 5 properties or 30 properties, or would you rather ask an AI, okay, who will have access to millions of properties so that they can find the property that fits your needs the best? Which one would you rather ask? An AI or a human salesperson? Type in the chat. If you were to buy, like if eventually, if not maybe not now, maybe now people have not fully like, you know, it's like e-commerce last time was like people still buy things on the shop, right? But you'll reach a point where people would rather. I see a lot of you all typing AI. Okay, all of you are very visionaries. Give yourself a round of applause. Okay, so like you reach a point where people just buy AI, buy through an AI rather than buying through a human agent. Okay, now, and so after I did this for Dr. Energy AI, okay, more and more people wanted me to build AI for them. Okay. So actually as an STD clinic, he saw what I did with my mom, right? Okay. And he's a doctor, and every month he will do like hundreds of messages. He will reply hundreds of messages on WhatsApp every single month. Okay. And so I helped him to build this thing called AMD Clinic AI. Okay, where the AI can answer any questions about STDs and all that. Okay, it can help him generate leads. It help him to get customers to book appointments. So now he doesn't need to book appointments himself. Now the AI does it for him. Okay, and I charge him like he was in Malaysia, right? So I charge him 5,000 Sing dollars, which is about 16,000 ringgit. Okay, and then he paid. Okay, and every month he still pays me $100 per month subscription for the AI. Okay, now. Next thing is Tutor AI. Okay, this AI it has a $3 million valuation. Okay, we raise funds at a $3 million valuation, and it is an expert in English, Chinese, math, and science tutoring. Okay, it is trained to tutor students by asking them questions so that they arrive at the answers themselves. Now, what's the difference between Tutor AI and ChatGPT? Is that ChatGPT, if you ask a question, it will just give you the answer. Whereas Tutor AI, if you ask a question, instead of giving you the answer, it will ask you questions so that you find the answers yourself. Does that make sense? Okay, so it stimulates thinking in the student. Okay, we also have Bible AI that is trained specifically on the Bible. I put the whole Bible, I put into the AI. Okay, and then and this is also worth $3 million. Okay, and how does Bible AI work? Okay, is that like if you ask ChatGPT a question, it will answer you answers, but might not be based on it might not be based on biblical. It might not be based on the Christian way of living, right? It might be based on the Muslim way of living, or it might be based on the Buddhist way of living, which could be a different approach to the same situation, right? Whereas Bible AI will tell you specifically what is the best way based on Christian values, how to do it. And I want to show you the potential. Okay, imagine there's 2 billion Christians in the world. Okay, we sell Bible AI for very cheap, $9.99 per month. Okay, now, but let's say there's 2 billion people in the world. Let's say we just take 1% of the market, 20 million. Okay, 20 million. or even 0.1% of the market, 2 million, okay? 2 million people, $10 a month, okay? How much would that be a month in recurring passive income? Everyone type in the chat. How much would that be in a month in recurring passive income? That will be $20 million a month in recurring passive income. And we are talking about 0.1% of the market. That means out of every 1,000 Christians, just 1% subscribe to the AI, okay? This would be worth $20 million a month, which is worth $200 million a year. And if you take a P times, let's say, okay, that means the value of this business can easily be worth about maybe $400 million, okay? And so that's why we raise that's why we raise funds at a $3 million valuation for this AI, okay? Now, so there's also Real Evo AI. We did like for property listings and all that. Okay, there's Lux Glow AI. It's an AI that helps. Okay, so Real Evo AI is kind of like property guru, but an AI version of property guru. Okay, so like property guru, people still need to search for the property, right? But for AI, the AI will find the property for them. Okay, we also have Lux Glow AI. It's an AI that helps create a customized skincare routine and recommends skincare products to customers. Okay, each of these AI, we charge at least $6,000 to do. The only AI that we charge 5,000 Sing dollars is AMD Clinic AI. Every other AI, we charge 6,000 plus. Okay, so like Lux Glow AI was built for $6,000. Okay, and then yeah. Okay, now let's talk about. Okay, I built Alaric.ai. Okay, and Alaric.ai is an AI that does coaching. It coaches people on marketing, branding, and sales, etc. Okay. And the power of Alaric.ai, right, is that I've trained it on all my content, all my Facebook marketing course, my branding course, my sales course, and everything. Okay, and I put it all into the thing. And if you look over here, there's this video, okay, that compares the copywriting of Alaric.ai versus ChatGPT 4 versus Google Bard versus Microsoft Bing. Okay, now it's a 16-minute video, so I'm not gonna play the whole thing. Okay, but okay, I just show you a quick snippet. Okay, the King's Crown, okay, I say do a 10-step pitch to sell durian, okay? So over here I say, the King's Crown durian is known as the king of fruits for a reason. Its majestic appearance with its thorny exterior and vibrant green husk is a sight to behold. It's a fruit fit for royalty. The creamy delight, peel back the thorny layers and you'll discover a treasure trove of creamy custard-like flesh. Each bite is a velvety delight that melts in your mouth, leaving you craving for more. Okay, this is Alaric.ai. Okay, let's look at the kind of things that Google, this is Microsoft Bing. You say, I say, do a 10-step pitch to sell durian. You say, ask them if they have any other questions or concerns about durian, such as the smell, taste, or storage. Address their concerns or questions with confidence and honesty and provide solutions or alternatives if needed. Create a sense of urgency and scarcity. You get me? The copywriting of Alaric.ai is so much better. Exact same prompt. I give the exact same prompt, but 2 different results. Okay. And even if when you look at Google Bard, you'll say, well, start with a strong introduction. Let your audience know what durian is and why it's so special. You can talk about its unique flavor, its health benefits, or its cultural significance. Some people are turned off by durian's strong smell. You can acknowledge this, but then explain blah 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 blah. Right? But you can tell the copywriting is not so juicy. Even ChatGPT 4, this ChatGPT 4, okay, not even 3.5, but 4. It says, oh, nutritional value, not just a treat for the palate. Durians are packed with vitamins and minerals. They are a great source of energy, potassium, and dietary fiber, making them a nutritious indulgence. The creamy custard-like texture combined with its complex flavor profile, sweet, savory, and a hint of bitterness offers an unparalleled taste experience. So when you compare all these 4 AIs, right, okay, which do you think is the best? If you think Alaric.ai is the best, type Alaric.ai. If you think Google Bard is the best, type Google Bard. If you think Microsoft Bing is the best, type Microsoft Bing. If you think ChatGPT 4 is the best, type ChatGPT 4. Okay, I'm biased, but I think Alaric.ai is better. Okay, like I look at it, like obviously to me, okay, like the crusted velvety experience, you know, I think it's a lot better. Okay, now, so so that's why people buy Alaric.ai. Okay, so Alaric.ai, the groundbreaking artificial intelligence coaching platform, has been launched as the world's first ever AI coaching for businesses and individuals to make more money. Okay, it was launched on Digital Journal. Okay, like it was so good that even Digital Journal actually decided to feature us. Okay, and our sales AI can be integrated on web pages like that. So for example, let's say on this page, right, you can integrate Alaric.ai over here so that let's say people want to go for Tony Robbins event, but they don't know, they have any questions, they can ask the AI and the AI can answer, oh, which are the dates, which are the location, all this kind of stuff. Okay. Over here, you can integrate into all the checkout pages. Okay. And then you can even integrate it to webinars. Okay. So let's say you can integrate it to Ever Webinar or any webinar, and then the AI will reply messages for you. Okay. Is that okay? Okay, yeah. Okay, next. Okay, so the old way versus the new way. Okay, so the old way is to okay, let me scroll down. Okay, the old way is to trade time for money in a job or traditional business. In fact, most businesses are still trading time for money. Okay, but the new way is to build an AI SaaS product for scalable income without additional time, energy, or money. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the new way of doing things. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make as much money as you can in this whole AI revolution. Okay, who wants to make more money? If you want to make more money, type make money in the chat. Okay, okay, I'm going to show you step by step. I'm going to show you the whole math, do it, the like how do you pitch it, okay, and all that. Okay, okay. So first, I'm going to talk about the 3 steps to AI development. Okay, so phase 1, training of data. Phase 2, programming the AI. And phase 3, iterating the responses. Okay, these are the 3 phases to creating an AI. Okay, now I want to show you OmniConvo.AI. Okay, this is a platform that my developers have built. Okay, and basically says this: build once, connect everywhere. AI chatbots with live chat and multi-agent capabilities for WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, SMS, and your website, done in 10 minutes, simpler than you think. Okay, now, so basically we created OmniConvo.AI. Okay, it's a brand new, today is the first time we're ever launching this. Okay, so all of you are the first people who have seen this. Okay, and yeah, BK's community is the first community that's ever seen this. Okay, now, so what's the power of Omni? Okay, so in the past, I built AIs that were purely AI. Okay, so if you talk to the AI, it's purely the AI replying. But what my developers have recently done, the latest thing we have done, okay, is we have done AI plus live chat. It's like a hybrid AI with human agent. That means a human agent can take control of the conversation halfway through, okay, and reply if necessary, okay? Or the human will be notified when the human will be notified, okay, when people are talking to the AI, and then they can take control of the conversation, okay? Well, one of the first few platforms in the whole market that can do this, okay? And there's omni-channel integration, okay? Integrated to WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, SMS, and website, okay? Yeah. And for WhatsApp, for example, it's like multiple agents can log into OmniConvo AI and reply through the same WhatsApp number. Most of the time, let's say most businesses, okay, they might have 5 different WhatsApp numbers. Each employee hold one WhatsApp number, you know. But like that, they cannot control the conversation that's happening and everything. But with OmniConvo AI, they can control. Okay. Now, the features of OmniConvo AI, omni-channel integration. Okay, so it can integrate with multiple websites like website, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, SMS, and Telegram. This is the whole market already. WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. That's like the whole world already, okay? Plus on your website, and then SMS and Telegram is like all the messaging platforms, okay? Now, next is 24/7 availability, okay? Next, we have multi-agent live chat. That means multiple agents can log in and reply messages and everything. Think about the use cases. This can be used for lead generation. This can be used for appointment setting. This can be used for customer support. This can be used to sell things as well. Okay, so it can be for lead generation, appointment setting, sales, and customer support. Okay, every business, everyone type in the chat. Every business needs OmniConvo.ai. It's something that every business needs on. There's not a okay. You tell me a business that doesn't use WhatsApp, that doesn't use SMS, that doesn't use Telegram, that doesn't use Facebook, that doesn't use Instagram. They definitely have one of these channels, right? Then they will definitely need an AI to help them to reply. Because if not, then they have to hire a staff or they have to reply themselves, which will take either time or it'll take a lot of money. Okay. So every business needs OmniConvo AI. Okay. Now, and that's why it's a huge market. Okay. Now, AI powered. Okay. It leverages advanced GPT-4 AI technology, and the AI can be trained on websites as well as files, and it communicates in 100 plus languages. Okay. This AI can talk in 100 plus languages. Like if I talk to the AI in whatever language, it will be able to respond. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So like it can collect people's name and then their email address. Okay. And press submit. And then I press hello. Okay, so that's what the AI can do. Okay, next you have hello, hey there, I see if how can I assist you with it, etc. Okay, now next you have detailed analytics. Okay, so it will be able to analyze the number of chatbot users, the number of human help requested, the number of incoming messages, the number of outgoing messages, the users report, platform specific 5 messages, top EAs, and top 5 stories. Okay. Next is built for teams. Okay. Admin can access full platform. Editor can access the chatbot AI analytics, live chat, and publish section. They can manage users too. And then live chat agent can only access live chat window to communicate with audience. Okay. And it's easy to use. It's a no-code platform, drag and drop interface, done for you chatbot templates, set up in under 10 minutes. Okay. And then lead generation via chat. So chatbot can connect to the built-in CRM intelligently through the conversation. You can also create a lead form that people can fill up, like the one that I showed you just now. Okay. And so okay, so later on I'll show you how to build your own AI chatbot. Do you want me to show you all now, or you want me to show you after I show you how to make money first, then after I show you how to build the thing? You want me to show you now? If you want me to show you now, type now. Okay. But if you want me to show you how to make money first, then after I show you how to build a chatbot, then you type show me later. Okay. Okay, make money first. Okay, I'll show you how. Wow, some people say now, some people say make money first. Okay, make money. I'll show you how to make money first, and then after you learn how to make money, then I show you how to build the thing. Okay. Okay. Building the thing is super easy. Okay. Okay. Now. So, okay. So you can train your chatbot with ease. Okay. So there's natural language processing in 100 plus languages. Okay. And you can train the AI based on website, text, and files. Okay. There's also upselling and cross-selling, which means you can upload all your information into the AI, and then AI can do upselling and cross-selling and all this kind of stuff. Okay. And then there's a 24/7 customer service. Okay. So it can do feedback collection. It can also do customer service. It can be integrated on WhatsApp. It can also be integrated on Telegram. Okay. And then it can even personalize your product recommendation. So it can customize what to recommend based on what the prospect needs. Okay. Just like how an actual salesperson would be able to do it. Okay. There's also conversation boundaries. You can say, okay, if people talk about Ferrari, if people talk about anything other than health, tell them, please talk about health only. If let's say I'm selling a health business, make sense? Yeah. Retrain your chatbot. You can retrain your chatbot at any time, and it's super easy to retrain. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the 100C equals $2.4 million AI valuation formula. Okay. Everybody please write this out. 100 $2.4 million AI valuation formula. You can type that in the chat. Okay. Now, so let's say if you acquire 100 customers who pay $100 per month, that is $10,000 per month in recurring passive income. Okay. If you just get 100 customers that pay $100 a month, that's $10,000 per month in recurring passive income. Okay. Now, if you take $10,000 per month times 12, that's $120,000 per year. Okay. Now, assuming a PE ratio of 20 times, right? Okay. Your startup will be worth $120,000 times 20 PE equals $2.4 million. That means your net worth will become worth $2.4 million so long as you get 100 customers. Okay. And later I'll show you how to get 100 customers. Okay. And people say, but what do you mean? Why you say it's 2.4 million? How you calculate this? Okay. If you look at the S&P 500 PE ratio, S&P means the top 500 companies in the world, right? Okay. The PE ratio is 23.27 times. That means, let's say if a company makes 1 billion in profit, the company is normally worth about $23.27 billion. Make sense? So if let's say you're making 120K per year in profit, how much will your business be worth? $2.4 million. Okay, which means when you ask investors for money, okay, you can ask them for money and say, okay, if you invest in my platform, okay, you invest, you get 10% of my company for, let's say, 240K. Okay, I give you 10% equity. Every time I make 120K, I pass you 10%. Every time I make money, I pass you 10%. Okay, that means if the investor put in 240K and makes back 10K per year, okay, which is a dividend yield of about 5%, that is very good for the investor. Okay, because if let's say you look at the dividend yield, okay, for example, if you look at the S&P 500 dividend yield, okay, the dividend yield is about 1.7%. Okay, so if you look at the dividend yield of S&P 500 is at 1.47%. Okay, for one whole year, okay, the dividend yield is about 4 point something percent. Okay, so that means the yearly dividend yield is about 4 point something percent, which means if you have a business that can have 100 customers and making 10K per month in profit and 120K per year, okay, that business, it will be worth $2.4 million to an investor, and you can raise funds at that kind of valuation. Okay, does that make sense? If it doesn't make sense, I'll explain a bit more. Maybe I wasn't very clear. Okay, does that make sense? If it makes sense, type make sense in the chat. Okay, which means like if you just make 10K, okay, for example, I give you a very simple example so you can understand. If in order to make 10K per month in rental, how many properties must you own, or how much is the value of the properties you own to make $10,000 per month in rental? Does anyone know? In order to make $10,000 per month in rental income, let's say you rent out, you get 5K per month in property, like you get 2 property for 5K per month each or something. Okay, you will need about $5 million worth of property to make 10K per month in rental income. Make sense? So or at least about 3 properties, right? So let me ask you, okay, so that means having 100 customers that pay $100 a month is equivalent to having 3 properties. Does that make sense? If it makes sense, that makes sense. Okay? Everyone type this up. 100 customers equals 3 properties. The value you get from having 100 customers is the same as getting 3 properties. Okay? Yeah. And is it hard to get 100 customers? Honestly, it's not hard lah. Okay, it's so like I got 1,800 plus clients in my businesses, and like in my just my coaching business, and I was selling that for like $500 to $5,000. You know, it's not hard to get 100 customers to pay $100 a month. Okay, now, so let me show you the benefits of building a custom AI. Okay, so you could use the same formula to calculate the extra value that your business is worth. Okay, getting 100 customers who pay $100 a month will create an extra $2.4 million of value to your business. Okay, so let's say you run a health business, okay, but you're just selling health product. But now you have a health AI, let's say Doctor Energy AI or whatever AI. Now your business becomes a technology health business. Instead of your business being worth 500K, your business can be worth $3 million now. Why? Because of adding the AI component to your business. Make sense? Or let's say you have a property business, but now you have a property AI in your business. Now you become a property technology company, not just a property company. Now your business becomes worth way more. Okay. Same thing goes for any different industry they're in. Okay. So value boost. Okay. And there's operational efficiency. There's data utilization, competitive edge. Okay. Scalability, revenue growth, innovation perception. When you have AI, okay, people think, wow, now they got AI. Wow, this business is always innovating. They're always at the cutting edge of the technology. They're always improving. Therefore, I support them more. If you have a beauty salon, wow, you got AI in your beauty salon. It becomes worth more. Okay, it becomes good for attracting investment. It's good for future preparedness. Okay, it enhances the customer experience because normally the people will take like 1 day to reply because it's a human replying. But AI can within 30 seconds reply you. Isn't that better? Right? Okay. Then there's market positioning as well. So owning a custom AI demonstrates your commitment to staying at the forefront of technology, solidifying your position in the market. Okay. Okay. Next. So the road to 100, I'm going to show you the surefire ways to attract your first 100 customers. Okay. Okay, everyone please write this down. The channels for lead generation. Okay. Facebook has 3.03 billion users. YouTube, 2.491 billion users. WhatsApp, 2 billion users. Instagram, 2 billion users. WeChat, 1.327 billion users. TikTok, 1.218 billion users. Facebook users. Telegram, 800 million users. Snapchat, 750 million users. Pinterest, 465 million users. All you need is to get 100 customers to be worth 10,000, to be making $10,000 per month in recurring passive income. Okay, recurring passive income. Okay, and if all these platforms have billions of users, right? Honestly, is it easy or is it hard to get 100 customers? If you think it's easy, type easy. If you think it's hard, type hard. Okay, honestly, I think it's quite easy. Okay, but okay, so Thomas said easy. Who else thinks it's easy? Okay, I think it's easy. Okay, who else thinks it's easy? If you think it's easy, type easy in the chat. Okay, very good. Next. So let's say I were to sell lawyer AI that can help write contracts, agreements, etc. Okay, lawyers can make thousands of dollars. Okay, so let me show you why we can sell lawyer AI for $100 per month. Okay, so lawyers can make thousands of dollars every time they write contracts. If normally they take 2 hours to write a contract, and with lawyer AI now they can write 10 contracts in 2 hours. That means their output goes up by 10 times, which means they will be making 10 times as much, correct? Instead of making $1,000 in 1 hour, they can make $10,000 in 1 hour. Okay, would it be worth it for them to subscribe to lawyer AI for $100 per month? if they can, instead of making 1K per month, they can make 10K per month, is it worth it for a lawyer to subscribe to Lawyer AI for $100 per month? If it's worth it, type worth it in the chat. If it's not worth it, type not worth it. It's a no-brainer offer, right? Okay. And of course, Lawyer AI is different from ChatGPT because what Lawyer AI can do, the way it is trained on the law, the kind of data that it's trained on, and how it writes contracts and all that is different from other AIs. Okay. Now, there are roughly 20 million lawyers in the world. There are 1.35 million lawyers in the United States, 6,512 lawyers in Singapore. And that's just targeting lawyers. We have not counted law students. We have also not counted everyday people who would need the law, right? Like, for example, like there are people who need the law to just know, hey, what is illegal, what's illegal, and all that, you know? And so if you look over here, 73,000 members in this group, okay, this lawyer group. 127,000 members in these Malaysian lawyers and law students, 990 members, right? Is it hard to find 100 customers? It's not hard, okay? When we launched Legal Knowledge AI, we sold it for $500 and we had a 20% conversion rate, okay? 50 people came for the webinar, 9 people bought. Super, like, and even people who are not lawyers bought, and people who are lawyers who are in the industry for a long time also bought, okay? So we made so we made about 500 times 9 is about 4.5K in one webinar, just selling Lawyer AI. Is it hard to make 10K per month? If let's say in one webinar you can make 4.5K, is it hard to make 10K per month? I think it's quite easier, okay? Yeah, it's quite easy. Okay, now let me show you the results with selling Alaric.ai, okay? Now, so Alaric.ai can do copywriting, can do coaching, all this kind of stuff, okay? So first ask, how do I train the AI? So I put the data of all the law and all the statutes and everything into the AI so they can give accurate reference. Okay, now results with selling Alaric.ai. Okay, now honestly, right, when I first launched Alaric.ai, okay, I thought nobody would buy it because when I saw it, since you can use ChatGPT for free, at that point of time when I sold it, people already were using ChatGPT and they already know about ChatGPT. So I thought no one will buy it, right? But I knew the value of Alaric.ai, and the reason why people buy is because number one, it can do copywriting better than ChatGPT 4, Microsoft Bing AI, and Google Bard. Number two, it can coach on marketing, branding, and sales better because it has been trained on all my content. Okay. And number three, instead of paying $2,500 per hour or $30,000 per year to me for coaching, I charge my clients $2,500 per hour. Okay. And instead of paying me that kind of money, they can get coaching with Alaric.ai for only $500. So that's why I know people would buy. Okay, but at the same time I knew, but people can get ChatGPT for free. They would rather use something that's free, right? So I thought I would have only maybe about 2 or 3 sales at most. Okay, so I did 2 webinars, and to my amazement, right, within 2 webinars, okay, I did a webinar, okay, at a 20% conversion rate. Okay, I did another, and then I sent some emails, and then just from the emails people buy, it's my first time I just send emails people buy, okay. And then I did my second webinar, also 20% conversion rate, and a lot of the people that bought were people that already bought. Like okay, that means a lot of the attendees that came for the second webinar actually already came for the first webinar. So if you really look at the number of like new leads, right, it's probably like my conversion was probably like 30%. Okay. And so in 2 weeks, right, I did 40 sales. I made $20,000 in 2 weeks. Okay. After that, I increased the price to 597 and still a lot of people bought. Okay. And then after I also bundled Alaric.ai together with a course for $2,000, and then I made $12,000 within 2 hours during a webinar I did in Australia. So I did a webinar in Australia. Okay. And I also had a 20% conversion rate at selling a $2,000 offer. Okay. I did $12,000 in sales within 2 hours. Okay. By selling Alaric.ai together with some other courses and coaching program, all this kind of stuff. Okay. Yeah. So there was one time, okay, I went to this business seminar. Okay. So these are these Taiwanese ladies that I met at this business seminar. Okay. So and after that, okay, so let me show you this one. Okay. So I went to GBI. It's called Guerrilla Business Intensive. It's a success resources event. It's like a seminar, okay. And then this guy, he owns his name he owns his name is Lin Porong. He currently owns 9 companies. One of them is a yacht company with 17 yachts worth 500 million Taiwan dollars, which is about 16 million USD. And after the course, we had a mastermind back at my apartment. Okay, and we had very big plans for AI in the Taiwan market. And then after he bought, like we collaborated, and then he bought my AI from me as well. Okay, and then I met some Taiwanese ladies, and then they also bought my AI from me. Okay, now let me share with you the like what happened. Okay, so I went to a business seminar called GBI, and I sold 6,000 plus worth of AI in 2 days when I attended a business seminar. Okay, so initially, I went to the seminar just to attend the seminar. I didn't even intend to sell anything. I really went as a participant, not to sell anything. Okay. And then I met a group of Taiwanese people and told them that I have my own AI called AI. And it was super like coincidental how I sold it, okay? Because at the seminar, right, people are split into their countries. So like if you're Singaporean and Malaysian, you sit together. If you're Taiwanese, you sit together. If you're Thailand, you sit together. If you're from Vietnam, you sit together. Okay. But there was one day I came late for the seminar, so end up I got no more seats in the Singaporean side. So end up I go and sit at the Taiwanese side. Okay. And then people like I just make friends, since I'm there, I just make friends, right? And then after the seminar, we had dinner together. So they asked me like, hey, what do you do and all that? I say, oh, I'm doing AI and all this kind of stuff. Okay. So I shared with them the functionality and benefits of AI. I showed them, wow, this AI can generate images, it can write copywriting, it can do coaching, it's super good. Okay. And I didn't even intend to sell to them. But one of them asked me if I sell it. So I said, no lah, I didn't intend to sell it lah. But if I were to sell it for 597 Sing dollars, would you buy? Then she calculate. She calculate the conversion rate. Oh, 597 Sing dollars is how much Taiwan? Can So she bought. Everybody bought 100% closing rate. Okay. And this is one of the benefits of selling digital products. Okay, you don't need to bring any products over, even when you travel. And I made 6,000 plus in 2 days. So I sold to those Taiwanese girls. Okay, those Taiwanese women. Okay, and I also sold to the Taiwanese guy who owns the 9 yards, etc. Okay, now so after achieving semi-financial freedom, I actually traveled the world for 18 months. Okay, in fact, I was listed on the news for how everyone travels the world while running 5 businesses. Okay, so I went to like Toledo, Spain, Gibraltar, Real Madrid, Golasio. I went to Texas, Greece, Hong Kong, Silicon Valley, Philippines, Vietnam, London, UK, many different countries, Ecuador, etc. Okay, I spent 18 months traveling. I didn't even come back to Singapore for 18 months. Okay, 3 months in US, 3 months in Ecuador, 1 month in Colombia, 3 months in Brazil, etc., etc. Okay, and so like that was my why I wanted to make money. Okay, for you, you might have your own why. Okay, maybe your why is you want to meet the love of your life, or maybe the why is you want to support your family better, or maybe your why is you want freedom, or maybe your why is you like to travel. How many of you over here like to travel? If you like to travel, type travel in the chat. It's one of my favorite things, okay, to travel. I just came back from Taiwan and Thailand with my wife, and then I came back from Korea in December as well. Okay, so doing a digital business like that is the best way, okay, because you're not tied down by a service or a product that you have to constantly stock up and all this kind of stuff. Okay, now with AI, you can make millions or even billions. Okay, so this Databricks, a data analytics platform utilizing AI, it raised over 500 million at a $43 billion valuation. Okay, InBuild and AI research with $200 million funding and a valuation of over $1 billion. Okay, Anthropic and AI startup with up to 4 billion investment from Amazon. Most of these companies are less than 2 years old, and they are worth billions of dollars already. Okay, Not.AI, an AI software startup acquired by AMD with roughly $36.5 million raised. Adapt raised $350 million to build AI that learns how to use computers through text commands. Okay, so when you build your own AI, okay, you will be like, this is the kind of things that you can potentially like this is the AI space. Okay, $3 million the AI space is a drop in the bucket compared to what other people are making. Okay, now, so why build a custom AI? Okay, because number one is scalability without inventory or manpower costs, minimal expenses and high valuation, recurring passive income. How many of you want to make passive income? If you want to make passive income, type passive income in the chat. Like to me now, my favorite is passive income. I sold high ticket before. I sold like $6,000 courses, $10,000 courses and all that, right? But what I enjoy more than selling a high ticket course now is to sell a recurring passive income, a subscription. Why? Because subscription, right, without me doing anything, right, every month the money just comes in. It's the most shock kind of income. I got people from 2020, okay, they pay me $80 per month. Until today, still paying me $80 per month. Every single month in, month out. Okay. And just one customer is worth $1,000 per month per year to me. $80 per month, one year is $1,000, right? So recurring passive income is the most shock kind of income. You can be traveling and then ding, the money just coming, ding, the money coming. Just then, if let's say the credit card fails, you just text them, hey bro, your credit card failed. oh, sorry, I'm going to change. Then they'll change. Then every month they bill you again. It's damn shook. Until today, the STD clinic is still paying me $100 per month every single month. Okay. Now, so market differentiation and increased perceived value. Okay, and it can help to set appointments and or sell automatically. Okay. Okay, great. So this is the process we will do for okay. So this is the AI gen. Okay. So this in this presentation, right? I used to sell AI for $6,000 to $20,000 every time I custom build an AI for them. And I use this exact presentation to show to them. Okay. So this is what I would do for them. Okay. I would train them on up to six. I'll train the AI on up to 6 million characters of data. Program the AI to your specifications. Iterate the responses. Project duration will be like 4 days to 3 months, depending on complexity. And I tell them it will cost like $100 per month to $50,000, depending on complexity. Okay. And later I'm gonna just give you all the whole thing to show you all how to do that. Would that be good? Do you all want to learn how to do it yourself? Okay. That you can build this for people and charge them $6,000 to build it for them. How many of you would want to do that? If you want to do what I did, okay, I made over 6 figures just in a few short months in sales just selling this, okay. I did sales calls for 11 days. In 11 days, I closed $100 in sales, 108,000 Sing dollars. Okay. How many of you want to learn how to do this? If you want to learn how to do this, type me. Or you want to build your own AI either for your own personal use, or you want to build your own AI, build AI for other people. Okay. So here's the opportunity. Okay. If you build the AI for yourself, let's say you build maybe Angela AI, or you build BK AI, or you build Tariq AI, or whatever AI. Okay. And let's say you just sell your own AI for $100 a month, and you get 100 customers. That's $10,000 per month in recurring passive income, 120K per year, and that will make your business worth $2.4 million. That means you will be worth $2.4 million. That's if you build your AI for yourself. The other way is you can build AI for other people. So you help them to build, okay, you charge them like $6,000 to build it for them, okay, and then it takes you less, okay, with my platform, right, because my developers have already done 95% of the work for you, okay, everything's already done for you. It becomes super easy for you to be able to build your own AI, and you need to do the last 5% of the work, which is like uploading the data and all that. Okay, my developers already done 95% of the work for you. Okay, so in less than 30 minutes, all of you will be able to build your own AI. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that very soon. Okay, and I'll show you step by step, and you'll be surprised that like I can even do it in like 5 minutes plus. Okay, now. And this is for you only if you meet at least one of the following criteria. Let me remind you, okay? If you want to add an extra $2 million on your net worth in the next 2 years, you want to make at least 5K per month in recurring passive income, you want to start an AI SaaS startup, you want to add an AI component to your business to make it worth more, you want to own a product that is scalable and does not require inventory, manpower cost, and office, or you want to impact more people without costing more of your time and effort, okay? Now, if let's say you can build AI for other people, right? Let's say if 1 month, okay, you just close 1 client, that's $6,000 a month, okay? If you close 10 clients, how much is that per month? $60,000 per month. 10 clients. Okay. What would you do with $60,000? Like, can that pay a lot of bills? Life would change. And like the reason why we can do that is because the heavy lifting is already done. That's one. Okay. So it's already done for you, right? And the second reason why you can do that is because the perceived value of AI is so high. Okay, the perceived value of building a custom AI for someone is worth 50K or 100K, and charging them 6K would be cheap to them. Make sense? Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, now, so okay, this is how you build your own AI. Okay, I'm going to show you how to build an AI chatbot in less than 7 minutes. Okay. Awesome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI chatbots. Okay. And I'm going to show you how you can do it really, really easily, really, really fast. It probably takes less than 10 minutes to build your own AI chatbots. Okay. So let me show you how to do it. Okay. Okay. So step one, you're just going to create from scratch. And then they ask you to create a story. Okay. But you don't need to create a story. You just have to press go back so that you go to the home page of this bot. Okay. Then this is where you edit the bot. Click on the bot, okay? Okay. Then you click on settings and you click on open AI. Okay, click on settings, click on open AI. Over here, you put your GPT key. Okay, what's a GPT key? Okay, is where you are using OpenAI's API, right? So I'm going to copy. So this is how you go to the GPT key. You go to platform.openai.com. Okay, platform.openai.com. And then
on the you log in and everything, and then on the left side you're gonna see API keys. Okay, you click on API keys, and then you'll see this over here, and then you can click on create new secret key, and then you can call the key like OmniConvo or up to you, what Alaric.ai or something like that. Okay. Then you copy the key. Okay, so let me show you an example. OmniConvo. Okay, create key. So you copy this key. Okay, copy and then you paste over here. Okay, so now my key is pasted over here. And then I can choose which industry it is so that it can tailor based on the industry. Okay, I'm just going to put all. Okay, over here I can choose the model. So I can do GPT-4 or GPT 3.5, etc. Now GPT 3.5 is 20 times cheaper than GPT-4. So I normally use GPT 3.5 unless I need it for very complex tasks, etc. So I always recommend using GPT 3.5 Turbo because number one is faster, number two is 20 times cheaper. Okay, so choose GPT 3.5 Turbo. Okay, max tokens you can do 100, you can do 1,000, you can do 10,000, depending on how long you want the responses to be. Okay, temperature normally I put 0 and I press save. Then over here on the right side, you can train the OpenAI GPT. So let's say I'm going to name this let's say my name is Rylan, okay, and I want to do Rylan.ai. Okay, so I say you are Rylan.ai. Your goal is to convince people to build their own AI chatbots. If they are interested, they can WhatsApp Rylan at +65 like that. Okay, then press train. And then now the AI is trained already. This is how you program the AI. Super simple. You just program in English. Okay. You can also crawl website URLs. Let's say if I want to add in my URL like alaricong.com, for example, I can crawl the URL. Okay, or any website URL that you have, for example. Okay. Now the next thing, you can upload documents. You can upload documents in the form of PDF, doc, or TXT. You can upload the documents. Okay. Now next. So after you've done this, you press and you saved it already. You train and everything already. Okay. Press save already. Okay. Then you click on Chatbot AI. Then you click on Story. And then you see their default message, right? So you click on Create Story. And then you click on, you scroll down, you choose the OpenAI GPT as the integration. Okay. And then you can choose the GPT that I selected. Okay, so I created Rylan.ai, right? So I'm going to use that. And then this is the fallback message. That means if the GPT somehow the API key doesn't work or the GPT doesn't work, it will say hi instead. Okay. Then let's press save. Okay. And so once you've done these 2 steps, that's all done. Boom, your chatbot is created in less than 5 minutes. Okay. And so you can start testing the chatbot. So for example, I tested the chatbot. I say, hi, hello, how can I assist you today? If you have any questions or need any help with anything, feel free to ask me. What is your name? I'm Rylan.ai, your virtual assistant here to help you with tasks. I want to find out more about chatbots. Absolutely. Chatbots are fascinating and useful technology. They have a wide range of applications, whether it's for business, customer service, or just for personal interest. There are many reasons to explore chatbots. If you like, I can provide you with more information on how chatbots work, their benefits, and how you can create your own. Let me know how you'd like to proceed. I want more info. It seems then you'll say like, you can define the purpose, choose a platform, design the conversation flows, etc. How can I create my own? Choose a platform, define the purpose, design the conversation flow, integrate natural language processing. Who can I contact? If you're looking for assistance in creating your own chatbot, you can contact Rylan at +65 123 11123, which is what I put just now. Rylan can provide you with guidance, support, and further information on the process of building and deploying a chatbot. Feel free to reach out for personal advice, assistance, and support on your chatbot journey. Of course, I can change the name of the chatbot, etc., by going to the settings section and editing the name and the image and all that kind of stuff. But boom, we was done in less than 10 minutes. You were able to build a full-on AI chatbot. Okay, I hope this video was helpful to you, and I look forward to seeing all the chatbots that you will build.
This video is 5 minutes and 34 seconds. That means in 5 minutes and 34 seconds, I built an AI chatbot. Was that easy? If it was easy, type easy in the chat. Okay. How many people found it easy? Was it easy? With this platform, it becomes super easy. If you don't have this platform, I tell you, it's damn hard. You want to program everything, you want to integrate everything, integrate to WhatsApp, Telegram, it's super hard. But with this platform, we have made the whole process so easy, super easy, and it's like almost 95% of the work is already done for you. Okay, so who here wants to build your own AI chatbots? Okay, who here wants to have access to this AI platform? Okay, if you want, type me in the chat. Okay, who here wants to have your own AI platform? Type me in the chat. Okay, now I used to charge $6,000 to people to build just one AI chatbot for them, but that was done for you. Okay, and then and then I used to charge people like $3,000 to build I used to charge people thousands of dollars, okay, to build an AI platform for them that will allow them to build AI chatbots for people, okay. But now I've decided, hey, you know what? I want to really build a very sustainable business, okay, that is low cost for the customer, but at the same time high value, okay. And that's why, okay, if you look at the pricing page of OmniConvo.AI, okay, it's $149 per month, okay, and you get unlimited users, okay. It's per chatbot, it's $149 per month, and you get unlimited users, okay, and it can be integrated to 6 channels, and you get priority support, okay. And all plans come with all the following features, okay. Number one, you get OmniConvo.AI, okay, you get omni-channel support, omni-channel connectivity, website chatbot, Telegram chatbot, WhatsApp chatbot, Facebook Messenger chatbot, Instagram chatbot, SMS chatbot, and then there's role-based access like admin, editor, and live chat agent. It's AI powered, language support, custom training, always on 24/7. Okay, multi-channel integration unifies communication across platforms. Seamless handoffs from AI to human support, detailed analytics, insights into chatbot performance, user-friendly, a no-code platform with a drag-and-drop interface, conversion tracking. You can even integrate your Facebook pixel into the chatbot. Okay. And then there's lead generation, and there's ready to use templates. If you join today, I'm gonna give you like more than 20 done for you templates on bots that are already built. Okay, for example, okay, yeah, okay. So who wants it? If you want it, type me. Okay, yeah. And so I'm gonna give you a early bird pricing. Okay, early bird pricing. Okay. If you want just one chatbot, okay, normally it's $149 per month. But if you sign up today, you're gonna get lifetime, okay, 33% discount. Okay, but you must sign up today. If you miss this boat, okay, then no more already. Okay. So if you sign up today, you get lifetime 33% discount, okay, for your life. So long as you remain subscribed, you can get this discount. But the moment you unsubscribe, then it will go back to then next time you resubscribe again, it will go back to $149 per month. Okay, this is cancel anytime for $99 a month. You can start building your own chatbot already. Okay, now and then BK said, hey, how about you give them another deal if it's like 1 year? I say, okay, I do 1 year for $500. Okay, so if you want to get one chatbot for 1 year, it's going to be $500 per year. Okay, $500 is super cheap. Like this is normally, if let's say you go for the monthly, it's worth like 3 months or about 4 months will be worth 500 USD already. Okay, all prices are in USD. Yeah. Okay, and if let's say you want to be an agency, okay, you want to do this and build it for people, okay, and let's say you want to create like a 36 stratagem advisor or something, okay, and you want to build multiple chatbots, I'm going to create a plan where you can do 10 chatbots for $299 per month. Okay, those of you who want to get it, go ahead, enroll via this link, securecrm.thrivecard.com/omniconvo.ai-earlybird. Okay, go ahead and do that. All of you are only getting this deal because it is the first time I'm launching this. Okay, we will keep increasing the price. Okay, the next time you come, it will be more expensive. So trust me, like we will increase the price. Okay, this is not some false scarcity. Like I really will be increasing the price. Even we'll go 500 and then 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Every time we do a webinar, the price will increase. Okay, so go ahead and enroll. Okay, I see some of you have enrolled already. Those of you who have enrolled, straight away let me know, okay, so that I can I can give you access to the platform. Okay, so it's best you enroll now. It's all in USD. Okay, it's all in USD. It's best that you enroll now so that I can immediately give you access to the platform, and then you can straight away test things out and play with it. Okay, on top of that, I'm going to give you another bonus, okay, which is that whoever enrolls today, I'm going to do buy one, get one free, which means you buy one chatbot, but I give you 2 chatbots. Okay, so 2 chatbots for $99 a month, 2 chatbots for $500 per year, 20 chatbots for $299 per month. Okay, this is the chance to get it. I highly recommend going for the 10 chatbots one, because if you want, you can do it for business owners. You close one client, you make 6K. You close 2 clients, you make 12K. You close 3 clients, that's 18K. You can easily cover the cost, okay? On top of that, okay, for those of you who go for this unlimited users for 10 chatbots, right? Okay, if you go for this, okay, I will give you some bonuses as well, okay? But only if you go for the 10 chatbots one. If you go for one chatbot, don't have this bonus. But if you go for the 10 chatbots, I'm going to give you a few bonuses. Number one, okay, I'm going to give you my rights, the rights to use my slides. So you saw these slides that I use over here, correct? Now I give you the duplicate, like I will duplicate this for you that you can edit and change it to your own branding, etc. Okay, so if you want the rights to use my slides, okay, and this is my intellectual property, right? I've been doing marketing and I know exactly how to get people to buy, okay? So these slides convert at 40%. So I'll give you the rights to use my slides, okay? Those of you who buy this option, the 10 chatbots, okay, I'll give you the rights to use my slides. This is worth tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars, because just from these slides alone, in 11 days, I made $108,000. So to me, it's already worth $108,000, okay? Now, the second thing I'll give you if you go for this option is I'll give you my script on how to sell. So I've closed millions of dollars in sales. I'll give you my whole script on how to sell, how I pitch the offer and all that, and you will learn my whole script on how to sell, okay? The third thing I'll give you is I'll give you a blueprint generated by AI that will teach you how to find your own clients, okay? And the fourth thing I'll give you, okay, is I'll give you 24/7 support. You got email support and WhatsApp support. That means anytime you run into any issues, okay, whether you or your client run into any issues, my team of developers will be helping your clients as well. So you don't even have to worry about that. That means anytime you got any IT issues or anything, my team will offer you technical support. If you go, yeah, okay, so technical support is for all, okay, whether you go for one chatbot or 10 chatbots, you get technical support. But for those of you who go for 10 chatbots, even your clients got problem, you can ask them to look for me. I'll solve your problem for you, okay? These are the 4 bonuses that I'll give you if you enroll today, okay? I'll be increasing the prices on this page, so this is your last chance to enroll, okay? Those of you who have already enrolled, type that you've enrolled in the chat so that I can give you access, or you can privately message me, okay? I give you my WhatsApp number so that I can create the account for you, okay? This is my WhatsApp number. If you want to do pay now, you can also do via pay now. This is the WhatsApp, this is the pay now number. Okay, great. Now, in the meantime, I will show you like a quick pick, a step pick of like how it looks like and everything. And then if anyone has any questions, feel free to ask your questions. And then yeah, okay. Anyone has any questions?
Yeah, Ayler,
Yeah,
you said there was a deal for. Sorry, I'm tired, so
sure.
sorry for my sluggishness. For 1 year, 500. What about 1 year for the 10 pack?
1 year for the 10 pack. 1 year for the 10 pack. Okay. We can do 299 times 12 would be, okay, let me do a special offer for you, okay? 299 times 12 is 3,588. Let's do it. Okay, I tell you what. Okay, I'll do a deal. Okay, if you can do it for 2K, I'll give you 1 year, the 10 pack for 2,000 USD. Okay, you will never find this offer anywhere else. 2,000 USD. Okay, let me create the Thrive card. Let me create the thing now. Okay. Yeah, so I'll do 2,000 USD for 1 year. Okay.
Okay.
2,000. Okay, I'll do 1,999 USD. Okay.
Alaric, for every bot that he sells, you think what kind of value he can get for 10
You
bots?
can sell it for $6,000 per bot, okay? Or you can charge your clients by a subscription, okay? Yeah. You can charge your users by subscription, okay? So yeah, you can charge them like, let's say $500, and then every single month they pay you. You get your first client, you make back everything already. Make sense? Okay, I just updated the Stripe card. So if anyone wants to go for the 10 chatbots for 1 year, okay, that pricing will be available right now.
So I'm
Okay.
going to jump in, Eric, just a
Sure.
while, just to chime in. So looking at Eric's decision to look at 10 bots. Now,
Yes.
in the beginning, Eric did mention for you to earn 10,000 a month, you need 3 property. Okay, you need to invest in 3 property. Each property probably worth $1 to $2 million, meaning you need $6 million investment to get 10,000 a month. So if you make a decision to own 10 bots, you're making 60,000. And if you are converting to recurring income, it could be ranging $500 to $2,000 a month recurring with just 2,000 investment, which your ROI is like the first month or the second month, you got your return on investment already. So if you're getting better, and then I already mentioned, if you want to expand further after you finish selling your 10 bots, you can come back with a discount as well, right? Back to you.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so I'm just gonna answer all those questions. Like you all asked a lot of questions in the chat. Okay, so the first question, and I answered this. I typed down the answers, but I'll answer again. Okay, so buy one get one free. Yes, buy one get one free, which means, let's say, Eric, if you're going for 10 chatbots, I'll give you 20 chatbots. Okay, with unlimited users for 1 whole year. Okay, for anyone who choose the one chatbot option, you get 2 chatbots instead of 1 chatbot. Okay, only for today. Next, Tariq asks, where do we acquire data sets? So you don't have to worry about that because the client will provide it to you. So the client will provide you with their website, their PDFs and all that. So you just upload it to the AI. Okay, takes you less than 30 minutes to do it. Becomes super easy. Is in less than 30 minutes you can build your own AI. Like truly, you can customize the name of your AI. You can change the all this kind of stuff. Okay, can it be purchased later? The early bird pricing is only for today. If you want to purchase it later, you can still go to our website, okay, and get it for $149 per month for 1 chatbot. Okay, so if you go for 10 chatbots, for example, it will be $1,490 per month. But it's still cheap compared to the value that you're getting. Because if you just build 1 chatbot, okay, you sell it for $100 a month, you get 100 customers, that's $10,000 per month, right? Yeah. On top of that, okay, then Thomas asks, 1 chatbot is for 1 AI? Yes, 1 chatbot is for 1 AI. Okay, so you get 10 plus 10 bot. Where's the definition of chatbot and user? I don't really understand. Okay, so 1 chatbot, like a chatbot is, for example, OmniConvo.AI is a chatbot. Dr. Energy AI is a chatbot. Tutor AI is a chatbot. Bible AI is a chatbot. Each one is 1 chatbot. Okay, the offer is for today till 12 a.m. Like, just enroll now. Okay, if you enroll now, straight away I can give you access to the accounts. You get what I mean? If I give you access, I straight away give you access to the account. Right now, you can start playing around with it. If you enroll later, then later when I have to check the thing, then only I can check. Okay. Okay. So I see someone has already enrolled. Okay. So I will give you access to the thing. Okay. So Candy, I give you access. Okay. So yeah, this offer is valid for today. Okay. So Candy, I'm gonna give you access. Give me a while. I will log into my backend to give you access. Here we are. Candy. Okay. Candy. Okay. So you went for the 2 chatbots. Okay. Okay. So Candy, I just gave you access to 2 chatbots. You should wait, I just press create client. Okay. You should receive an email that gives you access to the thing. Okay. Let me know once you have received the email. If not, right, I'll send you a private message on how to log in. Candy underscore C1 password. Okay, Candy, I gave you access to your account already. Okay, so feel free to log in, and then yeah, okay. Okay, for the rest of you, I will like how the whole platform looks like. Okay, so you all can see how it looks like. Okay, I see a lot of people enrolling now. Okay, just wait for a while. I'll send you access very soon. Okay, yeah. If you all can enroll now, at least I can give you access immediately. Okay, now I show you.
Hi, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this AI chatbot platform that's going to allow you to build your own AI chatbots, okay? So the first step is to log in. Now, if you have not signed up an account before, then you can click register to sign up an account, okay? So if you already have an account, then just log in, okay? So over here, you can either create from scratch or create a bot from template or create a boilerplate bot, okay? I'm just going to create from scratch so that I can show you step by step the whole platform, okay? So create from scratch. Now, after you click create from scratch, it's going to ask you to create a story. Okay, so just follow the steps to create a story. Now, what is a story? A story is basically like a flow. So it's like, if people say hi, then start this flow. If people say human agent, start this flow. If people say price, then start this flow, for example. Okay, so let's say if people say hi or hello, then maybe the first thing we can do is, for example, we can do a text response. So, hello, how are you? Okay, for example. Okay. You can also add alternate responses, etc. And you can also add quick replies. So I'm good, and happy, for example. Okay. So just demonstration. Okay. So that's how the chatbot will look like. Okay. Now over here, this is where you can like practice talking to the chatbot. Okay. So for example, if I say hi, okay, then you say hello, how are you? Again, then you can choose I'm good. Okay, now let me just continue building out the whole flow. Okay, now you can mix and match however you want. Okay, I'm just gonna explain to you each component, and then you can use your own creativity to create your own chatbot. Okay, the next thing is the media block. Okay, so this is where, for example, you can add you can create a new media block. You can put a text message. You can do an image slider. You can do image, video, audio, and file. Okay, so you can even send files through the chatbot itself. Okay. So and then we also have, we also have link story. Now link story is where, let's say you create another story, right? Okay, so like after this flow finishes, go to that flow. So after this story finishes, go to that story. So that's where we link story. Okay, there's also notify human agent, which means when people say something, okay, then it will trigger and say, thank you for contacting us, one of our agents will contact you soon, okay, for example. And then is the email for notification, etc. Okay, so that means you receive an email, okay, with the transcript and everything, and to explain about whatever the process has been. Okay, you can also stop the bot for the user after it's sent to human agent, or you can let the bot continue. Okay, next. You also have conversational form. Now this one is really powerful. Okay, so this way you can create a conversational form. Okay, so let's say if I ask for their email. Okay, what is your email? Okay, for example. Okay, so then I can create an email. Okay, input type is email, and I can make it it can be a required field, or it can be a phone, phone. Of course, I can say what is your phone number, etc. Okay, then I can put their number. Okay, then press next. Okay, then I can email me the responses. So like I can email myself the responses. Okay, or let's say I can go to basic settings. I can allow multiple submission. Let the user edit the submission, or let the user exit the form. Okay, message to send when user exits the form. Don't go, for example. Okay, yeah. Advanced settings. I can.
Dinah asks, Alaric, so for subsequent years, it'll be based on the plan that you purchased today? Yes. That means if you enroll today, right, whatever plan you get, you get a lifetime discount for that. That means no matter how much I increase my price next time, okay? If let's say you sign up for $99 per month, you will always get $99 per month for the rest of your life, okay? So long as you stay subscribed. If you sign up at, let's say, $500 per year, you will always get it for $500 per year for life, okay? So long as you stay subscribed. This is basically that, like it's a founders, it's like a, how to say, founders discount, basically. So if you're enrolled today, you get an early bird founders discount, okay? And it's a lifetime thing, okay? Same thing for the 10 chatbots, right? It's normally $299. So it's normally, if you look at the website or what, like it will cost like 1,000 plus, okay, if you go for 10 chatbots. But now I'm giving you 20 chatbots for $299 per month. Okay? I hope this answers your questions. And yeah, so I hope this answers your question. If you got any questions, feel free to ask, okay?
Do a text message. Thanks. Thanks.
Someone asked, what about updates and everything, okay? What about updates, okay? For updates, right, whenever we update the set the platform, yours will be automatically updated. Okay. In fact, right now I'm coming up with a lot of new tutorials. Okay. I'm coming up with tutorials on how do you integrate this with WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, and etc. I'm coming with tutorials on how to build it for AI. I'm coming with tutorials on how to create a lead generation bot, how to create a sales bot, and everything. Because the way you message it'll be very different. And basically, when you enroll with us, I'll also give you my marketing brain. Okay, I'll show you how to talk to the class, like how to program the AI so that it will sell in the way that I would normally sell. Make sense? So you get all those as part of the thing.
For submitting, okay, or I can link it to a story. So let's say if I create another story, that means after we notify the human agent, then it will go to a story. Okay.
And if anyone wants to join our WhatsApp group, okay, this is our AI chatbot owners WhatsApp group. Okay, this is the link to join. Okay, okay, and then this is our Telegram community where we discuss about marketing and all this kind of stuff. Okay, so the first group is for AI chatbot. Okay, and then the second group is for marketing Telegram community where we cover like tips and strategies about marketing. And then once in a while, I'll do like coaching sessions about AI inside those groups as well. So you can join for free. Okay.
So that's how the human agent portion works. Okay. Okay. Sorry, that's how the conversational form works. Okay. So let me show you a quick example of how the form would look like if it is an inline form. Okay. So I'm just gonna start a new conversation. Okay. So thank you for contacting us. More about agents will contact you soon. Okay. But because this is the flow over here. Okay. What is your email? Okay. So I can put my email. Okay. And then they'll ask like a phone. Okay, let's say I put plus. Okay. So I can do something like that. Okay. Okay. And then the conversation starts. Okay. So that's how an inline form would look like. Okay. Now there's also inline form. Okay. Which is okay. Let me show you how the inline form would look like.
And for those of you who want to learn how to get customers for this, right? Actually, it's very simple. Okay. You build your first chatbot you should build. Okay. If let's say you want to sell this to businesses, etc. Okay, the first chatbot you should build is to build an AI chatbot that convinces people on why people should build their own AI chatbot. So like your first chatbot you should build, like example, let's say BKAI, okay, and then BKAI convinces people on why they need to build their own AI chatbot. Okay, then you use this chatbot as a demonstration to demo to people. Okay, so for example, you can demo to, let's say, like you demonstrate to business owners, etc., and show them that, hey, you know what? This is the like this BK AI, okay? Like we can create an AI for you. When they start seeing the demo, they're gonna be impressed, okay? After they are impressed, right, then it's just a matter of price. Maybe they cannot afford 20K, okay, you charge 6K. Maybe they cannot afford 6K, okay, you charge 3K. Maybe they cannot afford 3K, you charge 1K. There will definitely be a price that they say yes. There will definitely be a price that people will want this. Okay. Then whatever you can negotiate and willing buyer, willing seller. Okay, even let's say you sell it for $1,000. If in 30 minutes you can make $1,000, is that still pretty good? How many of you that is still pretty good? Type pretty good in the chat. Okay. In 30 minutes to make $1,000. Is that still pretty good? I think it's not bad. For most people, $1,000 in 30 minutes is still not bad, right? And so by building this for people, that's the kind of money that you can charge. Make sense? If it's not good, type not good. If it's pretty good, type pretty good. Let me see. Okay. Or it's not enough to your okay. Yeah. Of course, if you get better and better, you can start charging like 6K and all that for it.
I should remove the so an inline form will look like that. So the form pops out. Okay, that's how inline form looks like. There's also typing delay. Okay, typing delay. So typing delay is you can add a typing delay. Okay. Okay. Then there's also conditional redirect. Okay. So conditional redirect means if the bot says this, okay, that means the current date or time equals to date time, for example. Or if the bot says this, okay, if the bot name is this, okay, then the value is this. if the country name is this, okay, then the value is this, for example, okay. They can do it by a story, media, okay. So it's based on a condition. So it's a conditional lock. There's also okay. There's also RSS feed integration. So let's say if you want to put in your RSS feed, okay, so you can show your RSS feed. There's also JSON API integration. This is where you can integrate. Let's say if you want to integrate on Facebook, etc. This is the JSON integration. Okay. And then we also have open Shopify. Okay, so let's say we can integrate with Shopify and tell the bot like, okay, this is my Shopify store, and then it will be able to tell you, it will be able to like find what products you have, etc., and recommend your products. Okay, and okay, let's continue. Okay, and then this is my favorite, which is OpenAI GPT. Okay, so how an OpenAI GPT works, okay, is I can write my message here. Okay, so like I can create a AI, okay, such that the AI replies the messages instead. Okay, so let me show you how an AI. So that's a OpenAI GPT. Okay. So like I can do this is a fallback message. If let's say there's no AI, uh, uh, hi. Okay. If there's no AI, then this is the fallback message. Okay. But I will need to set up my own API key for me to use the AI function of the chatbot. Okay. Okay. So that's basically what this is about. Okay. So now that you know what the stories are about, okay, like how to edit your own stories, etc. Okay, let me bring you through all the different settings that you have. Okay, so first over here you can edit the story. Over here you can delete the story. Okay, over here you can copy payload. Okay, which means if you want to copy like the whole story or something, okay, you can clone the story. Okay, you can share the story with another bot. So because you can create multiple bots, right? So you can share the story with either with a user or with a bot. Okay, or you can update the category. So like this the category
Okay,
is
I'm
maybe
not gonna play the
sale.
whole video because it's a 33-minute video, okay? But when you enroll, the first thing you will get is I will send you an email with all these tutorials, okay? So you get all these tutorials and we'll teach you how to build an AI chatbot and how, and like every single like what you can do inside the chatbot, okay? So the offer is only for up to today, okay? And then we're gonna close, and then it will never be this price, like yeah, okay, like especially this like okay, if you ask me which is the most worth it, okay, I would say I go for the $500 per year plan, because if you go for the $500 per year plan, you see 99 times 12 is 1,002, but you're getting $500 per year, which is like less than 50% of the price. Okay, we'll definitely change this plan. Okay, this plan is something I just created like today because Eric asked for this plan. So yeah, probably we'll remove it as well because yeah. So yeah, go ahead and okay, someone asked I want to build a lifestyle bot. So I will need to load my own data sets. Where I get support? Yes, you get support on how to build your own lifestyle bot. So go ahead and just like if you only want to build one bot, go ahead and just buy for one bot, okay? And then build your lifestyle bot. And it's cancel anytime. Like anytime you want to cancel, you can always cancel. Okay. So okay. So that's about it. Okay. And yeah, I hope I showed you how to build an AI bot and everything. And I hope this was valuable to you. And I showed you the opportunity. I'll pass the time back to BK. And okay, did you all receive value from today's session? If you receive value or if it was a bit mind blowing, like you learned a lot of things, type value in the chat. Okay. Let me know if you all have received value. Yeah. Okay, Abraham asked, curious on the WhatsApp integration. Does it link to your current phone number or need another WhatsApp number for API? I recommend another WhatsApp number so that it doesn't confuse with your own number and then your messages and everything will be, yeah. So I recommend creating it on a different WhatsApp number. Okay. Okay, any other questions? Okay, do you all get value? If you got value, type value, okay? Or if it was a waste of your time, type waste of your time, okay? Yeah. Okay, I understand it's getting late for some of you, especially like in Eric, it's like 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning, okay? Can link to Linktree? Of course. Like you can integrate this to Linktree, you can integrate the website chatbot into Linktree, definitely can. You just integrate the HTML code. Yeah, okay. TikTok at the moment it doesn't integrate with TikTok. Okay.
We will probably be testing and maybe one day soon. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. So BK, got anything you want to add?
Okay, so thank you, Alaric. Let's all thanks Alaric for his sharing. Let's just reply triple eight for him so that we appreciate what he has done. Now, very simple. I think all of you have a lot of questions, I'm sure. Okay, can I do it? What should I do? Should I buy? Should I buy this, buy that? Just think about it. Look at the pricing that Alaric and myself are providing for this so-called premium launch for all of you. Example, if you were to go for a class that teach you how to build AI, how much would it cost? Probably $1,000, probably $2,000. Probably you spend 2 days, probably you spend a few weekends, but you only learn how to build an AI. For that money or less, you are building an AI that you can immediately monetize. Plus, you have the support of Alaric and myself indefinitely as long as you subscribe. Plus, whatever upgrade, wherever we have in our community that we can share the success experience, all of you get it firsthand. So what else? What other business that has zero competition or very little competition that you can go everywhere and no one else is doing? I mean, if you do another business, for example, if you sell bubble tea, or you sell chicken rice in Singapore, I mean, almost everywhere they have. You have to compete with them. You have to do this enormous investment from rental, from manpower, from logistic, and your return of investment is almost like very difficult to estimate. It could be 1 year, it could be 2 years, it could be you losing everything. Now, you put a so-called investment on this, your decision is now, and to tell you whether you can do an ROI, maybe in 2 to 3 months' time, okay, I'm not good at it, forget it, and then you can stop the subscription anytime. But what if you're like Eric, you make a decision, you take 10 bots plus 10 bots, you have 20 bots potential. Each bots, if you sell it, maybe 3,000 each, but if you convert it into a subscription, each of them give you $100, $200, and recurring income. That is enormous for the next couple of years. So think about it. I think that the maths is very simple, okay? In any business, you need to invest time. In any business, you need to learn and you need to teach. So learning, you spend time learning yourself. Maybe I really say, it took me slightly more than 10 minutes to learn. Okay, I went into a big problem. I called Alaric. Okay, I got it done. Okay, and spread over 2 days. I spent about maybe 1-2 hours to get used to it, and then get friends to test the bot, and then I built along it. Now, if I put more time on it, I focus on it, I'm going to be better and better every day. Now, any business you're doing, you want to set up a store, you want to sell fashions, you want to sell CD, you want to sell any merchandise, you're going to take longer than that, and you're going to invest more, and you cannot say, hey, I terminate my subscription tomorrow after I open a chicken rice store or bubble tea store. You can't. But this, you can terminate anytime. You just terminate your credit card, the subscription, that's it. You can start another business fresh. So look at the potential. Now, you are in the forefront. You have no competition. Imagine among your friends, they are all your customers. Okay, you're one step ahead of them, and very soon you're going to be 10 steps ahead of them, because they all be rushing to you to subscribe, to learn from you, to pay you for whatever you have learned in advance. Okay, so I leave it back to your thoughts. I know some of you are still thinking, I don't know. Yes, Alaric, you have something to add?
Yeah, so Dinah, I just gave you I'm giving you access right now. You should receive an email that you can log in. Okay, I gave you the password, and the email is your email address. Okay, and I give you two bots instead of just one. Okay, and if anyone needs a free trial or something, right? Okay, you can always go to the website. Okay, go to OmniConvo.AI. Okay, go to OmniConvo.AI. Then you can create a free account. Okay, so you have a free trial. But it's like a 14-day free trial, and then it'll be 149 per month. Okay, so if you Candy, you also have 2 bots. Okay, so if you want to go for free trial, this is the link, OmniConvo.AI. You can register, okay, for a free account. Should be possible to do that. Yeah. Okay. But if not, then but after this webinar, I might stop access to the free trial as well. Okay. But anyway, just go for the full thing. If you go for the full thing, it's easier for you to play around with it and know everything that's happening. Yeah. Okay, never mind. I don't think my developers have enabled the free trial. But those of you who pay, then you will be able to like test the bot immediately. So I gave it to some of you already, and hope you will like it a lot. Okay. Then you receive an email that will tell you how to build the board and all this kind of stuff. Okay, Tariq. Okay, let me send it to you now. Wait, give me a while. Tariq. Okay, if anyone wants to enroll, now is the best time because now I'm still online. I'm going off very, very soon. I'm gonna head to because I send my cat for grooming, so I need to go and pick him up. So if anyone wants to enroll, this is the best chance to do so. Okay. Okay, Tariq, I created your account already. You should receive an email. Okay. Okay, those of you who have received your thing, type received in the chat. Okay. And then okay. The link to login for those of you who have an account is app.omniconvo.ai. Okay. This is the link to login. Always remember this link. Okay. And then I'm gonna give you your your password. Okay. Someone asked, what's the definition of unlimited users? Okay. A user is someone who talks to the bot is a user. So to have unlimited users means like you can have unlimited leads lah, basically talking to the bot. Does that make sense? Okay, Tariq, I give you your password. Make sure you if you can log in, then okay, can you try and log in? If you can log in, let me know. Okay. Most important is all of you must be able to log in before I end today's session so that you all have access to logging in and everything. Okay, cool. Any other ones who want to enroll? I'll give you the link one more time because I tell you, we really will change the pricing. Okay. Diner didn't receive. Okay, no worries. Diner didn't receive. Okay, I sent to you on WhatsApp, Diner. Yeah. Okay, the email. Okay, Diner, I sent you already. You check. You try whether can or not. Make sure you all can log in before we log off today's session. Okay. All right. Okay, great. I think that's all for today. Thomas is interested. Okay, yeah, interested. So, okay, if you want to sign up, then sign up. This is the link. Okay, OmniConvo AI early bird. If you're going for one chatbot, honestly, the most valuable, if let's say you're just building for yourself, I mean, just having your own chatbot to be integrated to like WhatsApp, Telegram, that's super. Okay, Tiet Leong just sign up. Okay, wait. Now I need to give access. Wow, y'all purposely I'm gonna close the room and then y'all sign up. Just not to sign up.
Anyway, guys,
Okay, but very good.
Eric, can I say something?
Okay.
Actually, the one-to-one offer, it wasn't discussed with me and Eric before. You know, he just made a decision and said, "Hey, you guys are so nice. Just if you want." So I think it's a great offer for you to take up and even try just for a month. But if you take up like what Eric, just take out the 10 bots and you get 20 bots. Wow, I think that's enormous. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so Tiet Leong, I'm going to give you for 20 chatbots, okay? Okay. Okay, good. Okay, Tiet Leong, I'm going to give you your passwords now. Let me send it to you via Zoom. Okay, so Tariq, you're in. Very good. Okay. Okay, let me send it to you via Zoom. Okay. The link to enroll is app.omniconvo.ai/login. And then the password is 5 star. Sorry. Okay, yeah, good. Done. Sent. Okay, great. Any other yeah, if anyone else while I'm still here, make sure you enroll. If not, I will do it by yeah, when I get back online. Okay. For Kim and Thomas, which plan are you looking at? Are you looking at the 99 per month or the $500 per year or the 299 per month or the $2,000 per year? Which one? Okay. So you'll just let me know, huh? Okay, great. I hope you all have a great day. I hope you all manage to build all the I entering the 1999. Okay, 1999. Okay, 1999 good. Then I'll wait for you, okay? Still considering. So Tariq, yes, you have two. I gave you two chatbots. Okay, because it's buy one, get one free. So he's happy, right? He was like, yeah, I thought I got one, but how come I got two? Yeah, I gave you two because it's buy one, get one free for today. Okay. So only for today until like 12 midnight today, okay? All right.
So, Tariq,
Yeah.
if your one chatbot is bought, the chatbot can talk to the other chatbot themselves. They can chit chat.
Yeah, they can talk to each other on WhatsApp and everything. Yeah. But for this chatbot, it's inbound. That means it only handles leads inbound. It's not like for outreaching and everything. It's for handling inbound leads. Okay. So a bot will not be able to talk to each other, and it's deliberately that way because it's inbound. It's not outbound. Yeah. Make sense? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, for other than that, I think I hope all of you have a great day. Happy Chinese New Year. And all right, take care. See you all soon.
Bye, everyone.
Bye bye.
Yep. Bye.
Thanks for coming. You can connect with me in I give you my WhatsApp number. I give you my WhatsApp number. +65 871319. Okay. Thank you and bye bye. This is my WhatsApp number. Save down my WhatsApp number before you go. Okay. Once you have saved down, and I end the room because once I end the room, then you won't get a chat. So, you ready?
Anyway, most of them are in the chat group, so.
Okay. I put my I say hi, Alaric here or something. Discount. Okay, wait, I'll put my number in the WhatsApp group. Okay, I give you all my number. No, this number is not a chat bot. I can give you a chat bot if you want. That's my real number. All right. Okay, great. Sounds good. Take care, everyone. See you all. Bye bye.
Bye. Have a good day. Bye.
You save down my number. Yeah. Okay, great.